Now we will start exercise B. Underline the personal pronouns in these sentences. So you have to find out the pronouns in all these sentences. Sarthak Singh, read the second sentence and tell me the pronoun.
I am tired. Ma'am, boy.
I'm asking which is the pronoun in this sentence. Tell me the pronoun. Sarthak, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So which is the pronoun in this sentence?
Ma'am, I.
So why you are taking so much time, beta? I is the pronoun. Yes, Devangi. Third sentence. Read out the third sentence.
Yes, ma'am. We will meet the rose, said Nia to her friend. Ma'am, her.
Okay, her is the pronoun. One more pronoun is there.
Ma'am, we.
Yes, we is also the pronoun. Correct. Nia, unmute yourself. Fourth one. Read out the fourth one. Nia, read out the fourth sentence, beta. Unmute yourself.
Beer. Ma'am, now I am audible.
Yeah.
A bear came up to the two men and threatened them.
Frighten them. Them is the pronoun. Correct. Aradhya, next one. Fifth one.
Manav had a cold. He was sneezing all day yesterday. Ma'am, he.
Correct. He is the pronoun. Devanshi Bhaskar, sixth one.
Yes, ma'am. Look for us near the ice cream parlor, said Jasmine. Oh, ma'am. Ma'am, the.
No, the is the article, beta. A and the, these are the articles. Read out again.
Ma'am,
Us. Yes, us. Manvik, seventh one.
Cash lost his bicycle. It was parked behind the lorry. 8.
One more pronoun is there.
His.
Yes, his. Sabhya, eighth one. Read out the eighth one, Sabhya.
where will you wait?
Which is the pronoun?
Will you?
You. Okay, correct. Maulik, ninth one.
Prizad
Parizad.
was
Parizad, that is the name.
Parizad was running. She was late for school. Ma'am, she.
Correct. Unnati, mute yourself. 10th one.
The dog was hungry. He gave it some food. It.
Only it. Only it.
He.
He is also there. Okay, correct. Exercise C is your homework. Write sentences using these pronouns. So you will do it yourself. So everyone write down homework, HW here. This is your homework, that this exercise you will do it yourself. And let's move to the next. D part is also your homework. This exercise also you will do it yourself. Write the pronouns in the color in the correct columns. So the red color, the words which are written with red color, all the pronouns you have to write in the correct column. whether they are first person singular or plural, whether they are of second person, whether the pronouns are of third person singular or plural. You know who is first person? The person who is speaking is known as first person. And for first person, we use the pronoun I, we, me, us. Second person, the person who is listening to us, the person we are talking to is known as the second person. And for second person, we use you pronoun, you. Third person. Third person is the person who is neither the speaker nor the listener, who is not present at the situation, for whom we are talking. That is known as the third person. In singular third person, he, she, it, and plural, they. He, she, it, his, her, they, them. They and them is the they and them, plural third person pronoun. Now let's move to next exercise, exercise E. So this you will do it yourself. D1 you will do it yourself. We'll do the E part. Replace the nouns in color with personal pronouns. This is my sister Shivani. She loves to paint. So here we are talking about Shivani. She loves to paint. Whenever I go to meet dash. Whenever I go to meet dash. Hemant Balla. Which pronoun we will write here?
Her.
Yes, her. Can you tell me why we are writing her here?
Ma'am, because
Whenever-
Shivani is girl.
Okay, correct. And you can see here, I go to meet her. I is the subject pronoun here. Go is the verb here. And here, her is the object pronoun here, which is coming after the verb go. Okay. So that's why we have used here object pronoun. Okay. You can mute yourself, Hemant Balla. Sonika Pal. I gift her sketch pens or crayons. Dash has a friend, Mukesh.
He has a friend.
Okay, you continue with Mukesh. Okay. Mukesh, so now we are talking about Mukesh. Dash is good with crafts. So for Mukesh, which pronoun we will write here? Janak.
Ma'am, he.
He, correct. He. Arnav Garg, you are not writing the answers. Arnav Garg, you are not writing the answers. Where's your book? Okay, next, Rishika. Mukesh, now we are talking about Mukesh. Dash once made a flower vase with ice cream sticks for Shivani and me. So here for Mukesh, what? Mukesh, for Mukesh, which pronoun we will use here, Rishika? Rishika, why his here, beta? Here we have to write the subject pronoun, not the object pronoun. Rishika, are you listening to me? Dash once made a flower vase with ice cream sticks for Shivani and me. So here we are talking about Mukesh. For Mukesh, which pronoun we will use? Rishika,
Yes, ma'am.
which pronoun we will use for boy? Boy के लिए हम कौन सा pronoun use करते हैं?
Ma'am, he.
Then why you are so much confused? He once made a flower vase with ice cream sticks for Shivani and me. Shivani and me. Here me is included. So this here we have to write the object pronoun. Can anyone of you tell me which object pronoun we will write here? Raise your hand if you know the answer. Which object pronoun we will write here? Jayansh Goyal.
मेरा फ्लावर was with ice cream sticks from Shivani and me. Man, them.
No. Here me is here. I told you that when I or me is there, which pronouns we use? Hemant Bala, can you tell me which pronoun we'll use here?
Us.
Yes, us. Us is the object pronoun of we. So I told you whenever there is I in the sentence, like Shivani and I, then we will write we. Shivani and me, then we'll write us. Okay. Now next one. Riddhima. My parents and I went to meet my grandparents. My grandparents live in Mussoorie. So here we are talking about grandparents. So which pronoun we will use here?
My parents and I went to meet my grandparents. They live in Mussoorie.
Correct. Here we'll use they. So now we are talking about Mussoorie. Mussoorie dash is a beautiful hill station. Manvik, which pronoun we will use for Mussoorie?
It.
It is a beautiful hill station. There is a lovely market near my grandparents' house. So which pronoun we will use here? My grandparents' house. Aradha, can you try this one? There is a lovely market near dash house. There is a lovely market near dash house.
My dash house.
It means we are talking about
Their house, not their house.
yes, their house. Their house. Correct. Very good. My grandmother and I went there this evening. My grandmother, now we are talking about grandmother. Maulik, tell me the answer of this one. My grandmother bought me a beautiful scarf, after which, here for my grandmother, which pronoun we will use? Maulik, can you hear me?
Ma'am, they.
Why they? Here we are talking about more than one person.
Singular है.
Grandmother is a
Grandmother.
Ma'am is.
She.
Ma'am, don't help him. She. We'll write she here.
Grandmother. Mother है. Female है.
Mute yourself, please. Mute yourself. Unnati. She bought me a beautiful scarf, after which my grandmother and I went home. So here I is including. No. Here not me is included. Here I is included. My grandmother and I. My grandmother and I went home. Beta, it is used before the. No, beta. There is so much sound coming from your home, beta. आपके घर से बहुत आवाजें आ रही हैं. Mute yourself first of all. See, my grandmother and I went home. Went is the verb. So we have to use before the verb. So here we have to write the subject pronoun. Which pronoun we will use before the verb? Subject pronoun. So when I is included, which pronoun we use? Who is going to tell me? Devangi.
Ma'am, ma'am, I, ma'am,
Why you are so much confused? My grandmother and I. Which pronoun we will use?
ma'am, they.
No. Can anyone else tell me? Hemant, you try.
मैम वी।
Yes, I just explained you. अभी तो समझाया था मैम ने. We.
मैम आप कर रहे हो ना मैम, आपसे पहले ही मैंने सारा कर दिया.
Okay, you have done it. Okay, that's great. करेंगे. Sujit and his friends are going camping. Sujit and his friends. Sonika Pal. Which pronoun we will use for Sujit and his friends?
मैम वी.
Why we? You are included in this also. We are talking about someone else. We are talking about Sujit and his friends. We are talking about someone else. They. Yes, we are talking about Sujit and his friends. No? So we will use they. Third person pronoun. So now again, this one, they have invited me as well. I was talking to Surbhi about it. It is very likely that Surbhi and I. Now who is going to tell me which pronoun will we write here? Sarthak. Surbhi and yes, we. Surbhi and I. We. Correct. Absolutely correct. We will join them. Sujit and his friend. We are talking about someone else. So we'll write here them. Yes, yes, you can mute yourself. Now last fourth part. Ravi is preparing for his exams. For Ravi, which pronoun we will use, Unnati? For Ravi, which pronoun we will use?
Ravi is preparing for his exam. Ravi has revised all the sum in the textbook.
So here we have to use a pronoun for Ravi.
Ravi.
So which pronoun we will use for Ravi here?
He has.
He, yes, correct. Mute yourself. Maulik, tell me the next one. Ravi knows how to solve all of the sums. So here again for Ravi, which pronoun we will use?
He.
He. Mute yourself. Janak, which pronoun we will use here for all the sums? For sums, which pronoun we will use? Here we have to use the object pronoun. When we talk about more than one thing, which object pronoun we will use here? He knows how to solve all of them. Them we will use. They ka them ho jata hai. Them we will use here. Okay. Now let's do the next part. F part. Nia, sit properly. F part. I hope you all have done this. Okay, let's move. Take the possessive pronouns. So here we have to tick on the possessive pronouns. What are the possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns are the pronouns that are used to show that something belongs to someone, like mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs. So this book belongs to Srishti. It means this book belongs to a girl. It is hers. I have forgotten to bring my umbrella. Can I borrow? Can I borrow yours? Can I borrow yours? I have finished my lunch. I am waiting for them to finish theirs. I have finished my lunch. Now I am waiting for them to finish theirs lunch. Rehan is riding a new bicycle. It is his, because here we are talking about a boy. So the bicycle belongs to Rehan. So Rehan is riding a new bicycle. It is his. It means the bicycle belongs to Rehan. My mother and I bought these orchids. They are ours. Hamare hain. They are ours. It means orchid belongs to my mother and me.